CDT was established in 2009 and it's a joint programme from the Universities of Sheffield and Manchester, and it was set up to try and address the shortage of metallic material specialists in the UK. We recruit high calibre students from a wide range of backgrounds, and they join us for a 4-year programme. The first year is mainly comprised of taught courses, and then at the end of that first year they will embark on a fully funded, industry-sponsored PhD or EngDoc programme.
When we first arrive at the CDT, we have 6 months of taught courses, so that includes things like lectures, seminars and practicals. And it's a conversion course really, because we all come from different backgrounds, and it's really important to give us that good foundation that we'll need to use with our research and our individual projects.
Before I joined the CDT, I was an undergrad here in Sheffield studying physics and astrophysics, and I wanted to do something that was a bit more practical and hands-on.
I originally did my undergrad in aerospace engineering, so I wanted to pursue research in aerospace.
We think the students really benefit from working very closely together, and we do encourage peer-to-peer learning. We hope that the students have a very broad mindset which gives them a real advantage as they start upon their PhD or their EngDoc.
Some of the group work that we did required us to build up a business case proposal, and it was good to learn how to present in front of a variety of different people. Coming into the material science department and learning how to do sample prep, grinding and polishing samples was actually something I found to be really interesting.
When we start the actual PhD, we actually know what we're doing. We have lab experience, we have the training. Besides doing my research, I get to network, I get to meet a lot of new people in the industry. I think that's a great benefit, because hopefully afterwards I would like to move into industry.
The taught courses at the beginning really set you up well for your research. Coming from a physics background, there were a lot of engineering concepts that I wasn't aware of. And I really needed to go forward into my research.
My PhD research is in working with niobium silicide, which is the next generation of superalloys that hopefully will be used in about 20 or 30 years. I'm working with Rolls-Royce, I'm sponsored by them.
I like the company visits, so we got to visit lots of different companies and learn about what they do. At the start of the course, I really wasn't very confident. We had to do 3 different separate presentations. When I began my actual PhD and I was presenting in front of my peers, I was much more confident.
Being on the CDT gives a lot of benefits to me as a student. I've got a lot of support from all the CDT staff, so that's not just the academic staff but also everybody kind of behind the scenes. After I finish my EngD, I'd like to keep working in the industry. I really enjoy working at Cummins Turbo Technologies, so it would be nice to stay with them and do something with additive manufacturing.